Yo, what's up? This is AV3. Got a new bike check, and here it goes. In the front, I have volume bars with ODI long neck grips and an FBM stock stem. A headset is Eastern headset. I have Odyssey classic forks with a proper front wheel and a dual stunner tire. I have an Eastern peg in the front, and going down I have a poverty seat with the animal seat post. Integral pedals, they're alright, can't complain. They've lasted like 6 months so far. I have premium hollow spindle cranks with the pinch bolts. I have an animal Vinylite sprocket, the KMC chain, and a Primo bottom bracket. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Primo right there. Going to the back, another dual stunner tire with another Eastern peg. I have a Odyssey 7KA rim with Primo spokes in red and Odyssey left-hand drive hub. And I'm running 29.9 gearing, pretty big. I like the way it feels. And the frame is a premium Gutter Shark. Thanks.